Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Twin Dolphin Music Box in Heartopia. So, Heartopia is currently collaborating with One Planet, an organization that dedicate to protecting the oceans, especially dolphins. And during this event, you can claim a beautiful Twin Dolphin Music Box furniture like this. You can just collect it for free. This one, you can see it, it's so cute and incredible like this. And here's how to get it. First, just tap on this club icon and then just go to discovery, and then just tap on this tab protect the oceans, and then after that just tap on go like this and just like that, and then at this clean up level, this one, you need to reach the level 3 to claim these rewards. You need to reach level 3. You need to simply level up your oceans clean up hobby to level 3, and then after successfully reach the level 3, just tap on view and then just tap on claim on here. And then after you claim your rewards, you can just go to your in-game mailbox. Just open your mailbox on here, and then after that in here you can claim the rewards from here, the Twin Dolphin Music Box. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.